In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly convert Word docs into Microsoft Forms. If you've got a survey, questionnaire, or quiz sitting in a Word document or a PDF, you don't need to rebuild it from scratch. Microsoft Forms can read your file and turn it into an interactive form in just a few clicks. All you need is a modern browser, access to Microsoft Forms, and a clean copy of your document, ideally saved as a DOCX for the best results. Start by opening Microsoft Forms and signing into your account. You'll land on the Forms homepage where you create and manage all your forms, and look for the quick import option right on that main screen. This tool is designed specifically for pulling questions from existing files, so go ahead and select it. When the import window opens, choose Upload from this device. Navigate to your Word .docx file or a PDF and select it. A quick tip here. DOCX files usually yield the most accurate conversion. If you're using a PDF, make sure it's text-based rather than a scanned image, and try to keep your questions clearly labeled with choices listed on separate lines. Simple, consistent formatting, like using numbered questions and clear multiple choice options, helps the importer detect structure correctly. After you upload, you'll be asked whether you want to convert the file into a standard form or a quiz. Pick form if you're collecting information or feedback without right or wrong answers. Choose quiz if you plan to assign points and mark correct answers. You can always change your mind later, but choosing the right option now saves time during cleanup. The system will process your document and generate draft questions. When it's ready, click Start Review. This is where you fine-tune everything. Read through each question and check that the text looks right, the question type matches your intent, and the choices are complete. Switch between multiple choice text, rating, or date as needed. Turn the required setting on for must-answer items. If you selected quiz earlier, set the correct answers and point values here. Watch for places where images, tables, or complex formatting didn't translate well, rewrite those for clarity, and add any missing options. If your original document included long paragraphs, consider breaking them into clearer prompts to make responses easier. As you review, give your form a clear title and description at the top so respondents know what it's about. When everything looks good, you're done with the conversion and ready to use your form. That's it. Import, choose the type, and review. With a well-structured document, you can go from static text to a polished Microsoft form in minutes. In